Welcome back to Cooking with Killa. This is another episode. Today we're going to be making chocolate covered strawberries. So subscribe and like the video. Right here you'll see all the things you will need to make it. I'll have everything listed below. So right here I'm going to be melting a chocolate. I'll also have that listed below. Okay, so I rinsed my strawberries off with cold water, and now I'm gonna dry them off with a piece of paper towel. So you want to pat dry the strawberries. So now that the chocolate is starting to melt, I want to mix it up, give it a little stir. After you stir it, you can just let it sit and melt some more and then stir it again. So now that the chocolate melted, I'm gonna dip the strawberry into the chocolate. You want to scrape off the excess chocolate, and then you can go ahead and set it down. I'm using parchment paper. And then also, if you want to, because I brought a little strawberry kit, but if you want to, you can just use toothpicks for this part when you're dipping the strawberries. It will take a couple minutes for the chocolate to set and harden up, or you can put it in the refrigerator so it can get hard faster. So right here I'm going to do a couple strawberries with nuts, and then also I'm putting melted chocolate into a piping bag. And then I'm going to make these designs on the strawberries. You can see that this is really easy. So all I did was cut a tiny hole into my piping bag, or you can use the smallest tip for your piping bag, and it'll do the same thing. I'll make another video where I show you how to do different designs for strawberries. So now you know how to make chocolate covered strawberries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and help me get to 1,000 followers. Thank you. I love you. Bye bye.